We have heard a lot about the COBOL programming language over the past year or two, particularly during the COVID-19 pandemic. In the U.S., news agencies widely reported that numerous benefit system failures forced local governments to scramble and quickly locate seasoned programmers with COBOL knowledge and expertise. We later learned that COBOL was not the core issue, but the public narrative surrounding this legendary language has not changed. Considered by some to be old, outdated, and going away, many IT leaders have looked to newer technologies as the answer to both future IT and skills planning. But is that the right move? Is COBOL still relevant and ready for the age of digital business? And just how much is COBOL still supporting today's mission-critical applications? These are the key questions that demand answers and drive new COBOL research in a project commissioned by Micro Focus with the oversight of world-renowned experts Vance and Bourne. What did we learn? The results may surprise you. Number 1. Global COBOL code volume has hit new highs. There are more than 800 billion lines of code running on production systems and in daily use. That's more than the stars in our galaxy, and it far exceeds any previous estimates. Number 2. The COBOL codebase continues to grow. Nearly 50% of respondents expect the volume of COBOL in use at their organization to increase in the next 12 months. 52% expect their COBOL applications to remain for at least the next decade, if not longer, and more than 4 out of 5 expecting that COBOL will still be in use when they ultimately retire. Number 3. COBOL is strategic. 92% of respondents stated that their organization's COBOL applications are strategic. Future IT strategy and application portfolio alignment with new technology was also listed as the key drivers for COBOL modernization. Number 4. Modernization of COBOL applications is the preferred path forward, with RIP and replacement strategies considered too risky and costly to the business. It's not surprising that 64% plan to modernize their COBOL applications, and 72% see modernization as an overall better business strategy. Number 5. Cloud is driving application modernization. When asked about their company's plans for COBOL and the cloud in 2021, 43% stated that their COBOL applications do and will support cloud by the end of the year. 41% stated that new business projects would require integration with existing COBOL systems. Netting it all out, with over 800 billion lines of code supporting today's mission-critical applications, moving away from COBOL isn't as easy as it might seem. This size and scale of the global COBOL codebase also demonstrates the continued value that this business-first language delivers for IT organizations every day. The new outlook. There's massive opportunity for modernization without abandoning your existing investment. Whether your organization's plan to start a digital transformation project, move workload to the cloud, or accelerate application delivery using DevOps and Agile practices, COBOL is ready. Ready to enable the next generation of application, development, deployment, and modernization, from mainframe to mobile, containers to cloud and beyond. With 800 billion lines of code still in use, COBOL continues to power the world's economy. It's quite clear to see that it will be with us for a bit longer. Some might even argue that COBOL is here to stay. For those with COBOL applications, the larger question remains: what will you do next? Learn how to leverage your true competitive advantage and drive innovation at scale. Now is the time. Start your modernization journey.